Jillian. Jillian.
Oh, okay.
Jillian.
Yeah, she said on Jessica's lap.
What?
Keep the bathroom door shut, huh? Because she gets into things, okay?
Well, I'm not getting her in here long. She's recording.
Okay, I'm
I'm getting a video.
She was going to play in the bathroom, the commode.
Oh, I hope she shouldn't do too much damage.
Well, she got her on her lap playing on the...
Ready? Ready? Are you gonna... Can you stand up? Put your legs together. Nope. Okay. Too bad. I take it Callie's still in school?
Yep.
Okay.
She doesn't. I get out early. I get out earlier than everybody else.
That's fun.
Not so much.
Fall. What? Watch her accident. Last time I let her do this, she accidentally stopped the video. And I don't know what key she pressed, it just stopped recording. It's like, oh my gosh. Oh, please don't hit Alt F4. That wouldn't do too well with the video. Button. Good lord. Let's press those buttons. What button is she hitting?
She pressed the space button. I think that did it.
Maybe. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. Ah! What are you doing to my keyboard? Oh, poor Jillian.
Oh. You stop recording, I think.
No, it's still recording.
Oh.
Let's not touch the mouse, okay? I need that. I need that. You can press my other buttons, just don't, like, break them off. That would be appreciated. Who is that? Is that you, Jillian? Can you wave hi? Say hi. Hi.
She said, I want to press the keys.
Yeah, she's gonna press the keys.
And
Jillian.
over here.
Jillian. Jojo. Say hi. Hi. Can you wave? Will you wave for me? Oh, hi. Hi. Oh. Troublemaker.
Daddy?
What? Callie? Where? Oh my. Oh, God. What'd she hit?
She pressed the P button.
Ah!